how the moving is looking like right now. So we moved this couch, this love seat here because we're going to sell it today, hopefully. I don't want to take it to Puerto Rico because it's not going to fit with the other couch. And this is the one, hi Monty, this is the one that we're going to ship to Puerto Rico. It's bigger, and it's going to fit perfect there. And the shipping is like less than $200, so I think we're going to do that. But I cleaned this space already because I want to move these to here, and that way we're going to have like this whole wall to be able to put the other boxes that we just got.
If they get wet during the shipping, so we put them on bags. I think it will be cleaner for us. And then after putting them in bags, we're gonna put them inside here, inside the boxes. So we already have one box full of clothes. I don't know how many more we will need for that, but at least for now we think that maybe with 3 boxes we will have all the clothes for every one of us. So let's see. So I'm also gonna use some of the space between the bag and the box for putting other stuff like these, because there's some empty space between the box and the bag. So this is what I'm gonna do. This is our dog's bed, so I'm gonna fold it a little bit. Just to take advantage of that empty space. And also, this is our dog's clothing, some of it. There we go.
Guess where we are? Again.
We're back.
For more boxes.
We already have 20 boxes.
20.
We thought it was gonna be enough and more.
But no.
But no.
It doesn't fit.
We need at least 2 or 3 more. It's just there. The items that are left are items that we really want.
It just boxes here are like probably around like $30 to $40 each box,
or less now, because
yeah, to send them to Puerto Rico. And the things that we have, like just one item is like
$40, and it's gonna fit in the box and so many more things. And you know, like, and buying new things in Puerto Rico is gonna be more expensive. So it doesn't make sense to leave them here. And you know, we can sell them, but nah.
No, it's not gonna be the same.
It's not, no, yeah.
So we prefer to
worth
pay
it.
$30, and we can put maybe at least 4 items with a value of $40.
Yeah.
That will be
Or more.
120. Instead of buying new ones in Puerto Rico, that will be maybe like $150 or $200. So
anyways, we came for more boxes.
yeah.
Okay, good morning. It's Wednesday. Tomorrow is the last, well, today is the last day because they are going to pick up all of the moving tomorrow. So we have until today to pack. One thing to finish packing everything is 8 o'clock. Omi is there. He arrived from school. It's 8 a.m. Like I said, I'm going to make some food to start packing because we have a lot of stuff.
Well, food is ready.
It looks like a kid's plate. That's what we have.
Y defenderte hasta la muerte, solo por ti y eternamente si quisiera.
Si tú quisieras.
Si tú quisieras.
Okay, so we just sell the fireplace. But yeah. Oh my god, look my hair. But we just sell the fireplace. We are almost done like packing everything. We have, let me show you. So I think this one we can put a little bit more of stuff. This one's done. And we have this one. We have 3 that we need. Well, we can put more stuff here. Yep. So we need to fill those and then close everything. And once we are done like closing everything, we are going to reinforce all of the boxes with this duct tape. So we need to do that. What else? Just a couple stuff that we need have in the floor. We need to put the vacuum. I hope that it's gonna be. We have an empty box, so yeah, I want that vacuum. But they are going to pick up the bed tomorrow and the mattress too. And I just want to make sure that, because this is basically a new mattress, I want the mattress to stay clean and protect. And I get this waterproof fitted mattress protector in size full. This is a full-size bed. It's waterproof, spill and stain protection, so I hope it works. What time is it?
10 o'clock.
10. So we start, well, we eat at 8. We start basically like at 9. We have been packing for more than 12 hours.
Exactly. 15. This is super fun.
Yeah, I love it. I want to do it again. Oh my god, look, all of those boxers. Boxers?
You need to rest. You need to get a sleep.
But
Soon.
oh my god. Look how I can't talk. Anyway, those are done. We try to put like this duct tape because it has like nylon on all of the boxes to make sure they doesn't open. Guys, I want to show you something that we did because as you can see, all of the boxes look exactly the same. I know that they are going to put like some kind of tape or tag or something to put like the number of each box, but I don't know what number is going to be each box, and I want to make sure that I know what's inside of each box. So what I did was to put one letter on each of the boxes, and then as I start writing what's inside of each box, not everything, but like to have an idea of what's inside. For example, let me show you. I just put like a small letter. This is the letter S, and in my list I can look for the letter S and see like it's sports and things like that. The letter T, we have some Christmas decor inside of this. U, V, but I think that's gonna help. I'm going to keep these with me, and that way once I have the moving in Puerto Rico, I'm gonna know what's inside of each of the boxes and which one I can open first. This is kind of like a moving hack that you can do if you are moving with a company. Yeah. Good morning. It's finally moving day. Let me show you. We went to the bed last night like 12:30 a.m. something like that. But we did it. Let me show you how all of like the movie looks. These are all of the boxes, and then we have the sofa here, the mattress, the bed it's there, and the 2 bicycles. That's gonna be all of our moving. We finally did it. I think the people that are coming, they're supposed to be here like in 10 minutes. Hopefully everything is gonna be okay. Wish us luck. I'm a little bit nervous. Guys, it's done.
Yes, this space is empty already. I don't know if you hear the echo.
Echo.
But it's empty already.
Yeah,
it's
empty. Well, like the living room
at
in
least
this area.
the living room.
We just have like the internet thing But that's it. Oh my god. We have the shares. We are not going to sell them. They need to go directly to the trash. They're in really bad condition. I really want to buy new ones, but then we decide to move. Yeah. Oh my god.
Kids.
Yeah.
You know how it is.
But yeah, those are going to the trash. But we need something to sit on for the rest of the month because we're going to stay here for a whole month. So we need a couple things.
Yes, we're sleeping in a thin mattress.
Yeah, we saw the fireplace and everything. This is how this looks. Now we need to clean the carpets. Hey!
Hey, what are you doing? What are you
What
doing?
are you doing? There's nothing here. It's no cozy anymore. No. No.
So guys, thank you so much for being here one more time. We really hope you like this video.
Yeah. Part 2 of the moving.
Yes, this is part 2
Of the movie.
There's a lot of content coming soon.
Yes.
So stay tuned. Now it's time to clean everything. Pack. Oh my gosh, our luggages.
Garage sale.
Yes. Oh my god.
We have so
There's
many
a lot of stuff
content.
that we need to do.
Yeah.
And that's gonna be recorded for you guys.
So stay with us. Make sure that you are subscribed to our channel. Follow us on our social media pages.
YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, JAZOMY. JAZOMY.
No, Diego Bellas.
Oh my god. Jazz.
Anyway.
Facebook, YouTube,
All of the
Instagram.
links
Oh,
in the description box.
well.
Okay. Thank you so much for the love and support, and see you soon, guys, with a new video, new content, new everything, new life. Bye.
Bye.